Interference of light. So what is interference? Interference is a superposition of two waves. That means addition of two waves. Huygens says that if you add the two waves, we get the dark as well as the bright. So the scientists didn't believe that how the light plus light is equal to dark. So he proved excellently by using this simple graphical diagram along with the mathematical expressions. So the principle of superposition of waves means addition of two waves. If the two waves, this is a crust, this is a trough. So when the first wave, this is the first wave, this is the crust and trough of the second wave. So that means a crust 1, sorry, this is a crust 2, second wave crust and second wave trough. This is a first wave crust and the first wave trough. If the crust and crust of the both the wave are in same phase, so the resultant wave will have the maximum crust, that is a C1 plus C2. So it will be increased, light will be increased, intensity increases. Intensity means amplitude of the wave. The height of the wave is called amplitude. Then the trough and trough will add up. What will happen? In the lower half cycle also increases. The total trough which is equal to T1 plus T2. So what the Einstein says, that means if you add the two light waves, we get the bright. Yes, that is actually what is naturally happening there. But he also proved that if the crust of the first wave is coincide with that trough of the second wave, means what will happen? Both are in the same height, same amplitude. So the positive, this is a negative, upper half cycle and lower half cycle will add up. There will be a no light will come in the resultant wave. Similarly, the thrust of the trough of the first wave and crust of the second wave will superimpose. Superimpose means what is that? Superposition principle, that is addition. So if these two are added, there is a no light comes out. Thus he says that light plus light is equal to dark in certain conditions. If there is any path difference or phase difference, there will be a bright and dark fringes will occur. Okay, very simple students. I will explain to you clearly. So first you understand this one. If these two waves are add up, both are in the same phase means add up. If it is in the opposite phases, what will happen? This is a upper half cycle. It starts with the lower half cycle. So if these two waves are add up, there is a no light comes out. That is a dark color. Generally, the wave can be represented by using a simple formula. Y is equal to A sin theta. Y is a wave equation. A is the amplitude. This is the amplitude. Okay. This height is a amplitude. So for all the waves, this height is a amplitude. The first term represents amplitude. This is a sine wave. So it starts from 0. So here sine 0, 0, sine 90, 1. So maximum 1. Sine 190, 0. Then sine 270 minus 1. And sine 360, 0. So it will obey the sine angle. So we give the name sine phase. Then this is the angle theta. So this line represents theta. Here it is an oscillating wave. It will be going ups and down. So omega, angular frequency, which is equal to angular displacement by time. That is theta can be replaced by omega t. These things are already we are studied detail in the electricity also. The same notation. Angular velocity which is equal to angular displacement by time. If the displacement is 2 pi, that means 0 to 2 pi means the total time period is t. So the same thing is similar to here also for light waves. So we can represent the wave equation for the light is y is equal to A is the amplitude, sine is the nature of the wave, and omega t is a theta. So very simple students. The superposition of two waves means addition of two waves. If these two waves are add up, we get bright, and if these two waves are add up, we get dark color. So that is a bright and dark will comes once. What is the condition? That is a path difference. There must be a path difference or phase difference. So if there is a path difference, there must be a phase difference. Phase means angle, path means distance. So now I will explain these two things clearly. Dear students, just look at these two waves. If you assume that these two waves are going to superimpose, The first wave is starting with this one and goes like that. The second wave also the same like this, but at the first wave reaches the maximum value, at that time only the second wave starts to propagate. So there will be a lagging of distance. How much distance it is lagged? Because the total length is called as a wavelength. The half of the length is a lambda by 2. So this is lambda by 4. So the first wave and second wave. The second wave is lambda by 4 distance lagging behind the first wave, or the first wave is lambda by 4 times ahead the second wave. The path difference is here lambda by 4. Then what is the phase difference? So it will be a 90 degree, because when the first wave is 90 degree means this will become 0. Then the second wave, first wave is 180 degree means the second wave will become 90 degree. So 90 degree lagging behind. So we can say that the phase difference, which is equal to 2 pi P is a path difference by lambda. So by using this condition only we can do that. So that means whenever there is a superposition of two waves, so the first wave and the second wave will have the same crest and crest, trough and trough means it will be add up. Crest and trough will be opposite means it will cancel out each other. That is I am saying that the crest of the first wave and the crest of the second wave add up, or the trough of the first wave and the trough of the second wave is add up means we get the bright fringe. That is a constructive interference. This interference is called constructive, means add up. So it is increasing. Then crest of the first wave and trough of the second wave, or trough of the first wave and crest of the second wave will superimpose, means that will give the dark color. The amplitudes will be equal and opposite nature, thus cancel out each other. Hence we get destructive interference. This is a dark color. So very simple students, whenever there is a add up of two waves in same phase means the bright fringe will comes. If it is in the opposite means dark fringe will comes. There will be a superposition of crest and trough automatically take place. So understand the concept clearly. What is interference means when two light waves of the same frequency and having a constant phase difference. Constant phase difference means there will be a phase difference of pi by 2. So one wave has a phase of sine omega t. So this is a sine omega t wave. This is a sine omega t plus pi by 2. So that is the difference. So this is a sine omega t. This is a sine omega t plus pi by 2. It is agat of pi by 2. So that is I am saying that when two light waves of the same frequency having a constant phase difference, that is 90 degree, traveling in same direction will superimpose. Superimpose means add up. If the crest and crest will be together, or trough and trough will be together means a bright fringe will come. If a crest and trough will be in the opposite nature means dark fringe will be get. So we get the redistribution of maximum at some points and minimum at some points. Where is the maximum and minimum? So the crest and trough, or crest and crest, or trough and trough means that is a maximum point, and opposite nature means minimum point. So that is a constructive interference and destructive interference. Very simple students. Superposition of addition of two waves with a certain path difference or phase difference is called interference. There are two types of interference: constructive interference and destructive interference. That means bright fringe. Fringe means a small brightness, and the dark fringe also available. So now we are going to see that in the next topic as what is the condition for constructive and destructive. Even if there is a two waves are available means always interference will happen means that is wrong. The interference will happen only at certain condition. That certain condition is a path difference or phase difference. If there is a no path difference or phase difference means two light will be add up, simply a bright color will come. So alternatively bright and dark fringes will occur means that is called as interference. So understand the property of the light. Interference means superposition, addition of two waves with constant phase angle or path angle. So path difference.